What's up, y'all? It's your girl Asa and I'm back with another video. Today's video is an everyday makeup tutorial, glasses edition. So if you wear glasses 99.95% of the time like me, this video is for you. All the products that I used will be listed in the description box below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, y'all, so the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Dark Brown Eyebrow Pencil. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC concealer in the shade NC45 just to clean up my brows. Now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox 24 or 15 hour wear hydrating foundation in the shade 4.0. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to go in with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder Foundation in the shade 330. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara. I'm going to be using the Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal, and it's in the shade Black. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my highlighters. I'm going to go in with 2 highlighters. The first one is going to be by MAC. It's going to be Gold Deposit. The second one I'm going to go in with is the Makeup Forever one. It's called Pro Light Fusion. Usually for my everyday makeup, I just throw on some lip gloss after this and go. But today I kind of want to do a red lipstick because that's what I'm feeling today. So that's what I'm going to do. So the lip liner that I'm going to be using is the NYX lip liner in the shade Red Tape. Now I'm going to go in with my Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Date Night. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Be Slick Primer or Setting Spray. Okay, y'all, so that's it for my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, y'all, so that's it for my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to I'm gonna get it right. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope it helped you. I said it also helped. No. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Asa, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a everyday makeup tutorial, glasses edition. If you wear glasses 99.95% of the time like me, this video is for you. All the products that I listed will be listed. I said it again.